We are going to be doing some band pull aparts. So you do need a band for this. Honestly, while you can, like, just go on Amazon. These are like $5, all right? So we're gonna go here. So it's gonna work our rear delts, all right? It's gonna help our posture as well. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be holding this about shoulder height, okay? And then we're just literally pulling this band apart, okay? When we're doing this, from the side view, it looks like this. We're gonna be here, pulling the band apart. We wanna make sure we're not pulling with our elbows, okay? So we're not here and pulling with our elbows. We're here and pulling the band apart. That way we can work our rear delts back here. So rear view looks like this. Back up. See if I can move forward. Here and forward, here and forward. If you notice that your shoulders are like shrugging up as you're doing this, or your traps are coming up, so as you go through this, you realize that your traps are coming up like this. What I want you to do, if you start feeling your shoulders by here, I want you to relax your shoulders, reset, bring them back and down, and again, just pulling this band apart. Do that for about 20 to 30 seconds straight as a warm up in between your workout after your routine to cool down, and I guarantee you're gonna get a crazy burn from it.